Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to get the content monetization tool on Facebook using just the app.
First, open the Facebook app and go to your professional dashboard. You'll see this if your page is already set to professional mode. If not, just go to your profile and tap the three dots and turn on professional mode. Next, in the dashboard, look for monetization. If you're eligible, you'll see tools in the stream ads, stars, and subscriptions. Tap monetization tools and you'll be guided through the setup, linking your payout account and agreeing to terms. If you don't see that option, it means you still need to meet some requirements like having original video content, enough followers, or meeting the view count. You can check your eligibility directly by searching for Facebook Creator Studio in the app's Help section. And remember, Facebook reviews your content regularly, so stay consistent and follow their content guidelines. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.